Oh, here I am, fighting with another anime character. I swear, this one has me past through. Yeah. I just interrupt because I fancy you're very not funny. All you do is lie to your mom late about everything. Your whole life is a game to manage to know where that's Jackie's line. Get alive. Hi, I'm sayori, and I think your friends are dumb. They couldn't even match a back. You probably don't even have a thumb. You probably have katana to do all that. Pressing tears away just got Kaito's dead. I'm a main character, and what? You're a background one. Same person who'd also lose to a fight of a crying puppy because their family crying crybaby.